Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get back into a locked PrizePicks account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in PrizePicks support, and then once it loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you, that is PrizePicks Help Center. Now once you're inside your Help Center, what you need to do is scroll down, and then under account you'll find the option that says account access issues right here. Tap on that, and on tapping here, what you need to understand is why your account was locked. Common reasons for account lock include failed locked attempts, suspicious activity, verification issues. So now what you need to do is reset your password. Go to the PrizePicks login page, click forget password, enter the email address associated with your account, check your email for a password reset link, and follow the instruction. Create a strong unique password and login again. Number third is verify your identity. If your account was locked due to the identity verification issues, PrizePicks may request additional documents such as a government issue ID, proof of address, or social security number. Now you can check for regional or account restrictions as well. Ensure you're accessing your account from a region where PrizePicks operate. If traveling using a VPN may trigger a lock. If you are recently moved, update your address with proof. Now wait for support resolution as well. PrizePicks support may take some time to review and unlock your account. Be patient and responsive to any additional requests for information. Number 7 is to prevent future account locks. Use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, update your account regularly, avoid multiple locks. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.